Welcome to the DMX OMF tutorial series. In this installment, we'll be reviewing admin order approval. DMX OMF is a permissions-based system, much like Windows or other Microsoft products. Various permission levels have variant access capabilities to the software. One such capability allows for administrative order approval that helps maintain correct levels of inventory, cost center budgets, and priority product flow. So we'll launch into the OMF system using our username and password, and I'll first want to show you the actual setup process in order to initiate the order approval for an individual part. So through the warehouse module, go to inventory management and then part add edit, which will take us to the product search page. We'll go ahead and just search by product group and click on financial, and then access this top level prospectus here. The first thing I'll draw your attention to is the assigned product manager to this part. A product manager is an admin level user that is responsible for the maintenance of this individual part. This becomes important with the order approval, as the product manager is the individual that receives email notification through the system of an order in need of approval. The order will remain in a holding pattern until this product manager approves the order. Towards the bottom of the right column of the options of this page, you will see that there are two permissions-based checkboxes that can be applied to this part. The admin order only option will actually hide this part for any user's product ordering choices who has below an admin permission level, and the order approval required option will not allow any order including this specific part to be processed until this order has been approved by an OMF admin level user. So once we save that checkbox to this part, you can see right here that that change has been reflected after the submit button has been hit and the product has been saved. So we'll go ahead and log out of the system and log back in using a user level permission login and password. Go ahead and click next. And you can see right off the bat that we're missing the administration option at the top of the left-hand nav. So you can see that there are some actual changes to the system when you're using a user level as opposed to an admin level user. So go ahead and click on place an order, and you see we're taken again to the product search page. We want to make sure we access the same part, so we're just going to search group by financial and then place an order for the prospectus. Just say 10 and then click add order. You see right away up here that in the red text that the product ordered requires approval. So that is actually mentioned directly to anyone who orders this part through the system so that they're aware of it. So we'll go ahead and just continue the order. And here's the shipping options again. We'll just go ahead and click on ship to myself to expedite this. Hit continue. And then we're taken back to our order options. So the date needed, the order reason, how we want to ship it. Just go ahead and click continue. You see again, the user is once again reminded that the product order will require approval. So we'll go ahead and just process the order as such. And here our order confirmation yet again will remind the user that we do require approval for this individual part to be ordered. Just go ahead and return back to order processing. And we'll just go ahead and log out of the system for now. Now if I come down and open up my email, go ahead and click send and receive, you can see that the system will automatically generate an email to the product manager telling me that the product was ordered that needed to be approved. It gives you the name of the product as well as who ordered it, and most importantly the needed buy date, so you know when you absolutely have to approve the order. If you go ahead and just click on the link in the email, it pops you right back into the login screen. So I'll go ahead and log in using my admin user and password, clicking next, and we'll go over to orders and approve orders. You can see here that you can search by the date, by the system order number, or the user order number. So since that order was placed today, I'll just go ahead and click that. You can see here that there's a list of all of the orders that need to be approved. You can actually drill down into the specific order to get more detail. So you can see here that there's the product ID, the product code, the product name, as well as the option to approve the product or delete a product, which can actually remove it from the order altogether. You can change the quantity, and then you also have the order minimum and maximum information, as well as the total available in inventory. And then below, you also have the order details. So again, who ordered it, where it's going, when it's required to ship. So you can actually approve it through this individual page, or you can go back out and do a bulk order approve. So if you have multiple orders, you can approve them all at once. Go ahead and just click on the approve button, and you can see here that the orders of pending approval page gives you the option to add to the note. There's also the default note here that there was a bulk approved order without any modifications. You can add to that obviously if you need to. Just go ahead and click yes, and then that will be saved and ready to ship out for Joe Smith. So we'll go ahead and log out of the admin approval user. And we're going to log back into the system using the non-admin user name and password. There's one more way that the order approval process can help you manage your inventory, and that's related to the order maximum placed on an individual part. So if we go ahead and search for financial products again, you can see that the statement for quarter 1 has a limit order max of 50. So we're going to go ahead and place an order for 65 and click add to order. And then once again, we're notified at the top of the page that the order quantity exceeds the order maximum for this and will require approval. So we'll go ahead and just quickly go through the order processing process here so we can get the ball rolling on this. Click continue at the bottom of the page. And again, we're reminded that the order will require approval. So we'll go ahead and just process the order. And here's our order confirmation again. So we'll return back to order processing and log out of the system. So I'll come back down and open up my email again. And you can see here that I, again, as a product manager, have been notified that there's a product order that requires my approval. It's ordered by Joe Smith, and again, it has the required ship date, so I can use the link in the email just as I did before. And log back into the system using my admin username and password. Click back into orders and into approve orders. Go ahead and search by date again. You can see that once again the order processed is right here on top of the bulk list, and we'll go ahead and drill down into it. And what we'll do here is we'll actually change this quantity down back to 50, which is the order max. Say for instance we don't have enough inventory to cover the 65 order. And within the approval rejection comments, we'll go ahead and note that. And we'll need to be sure, once we get done with this comment, that we click the Approve Product radio button and go ahead and process changes. Now if we go back down into the email and click Send and Receive, you'll notice that we received 2 emails, one notifying that the order has been changed to a ship quantity of 50, and a second notifying the statement that it will be shipped U.S. ground. So I believe you can see that the DMX LMF admin order approval functionality is a beneficial feature native to our software that, with its automatic notification system, helps you and your users better understand, communicate, and manage your outgoing orders and live inventory. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website or call us today.